morning, welcome to the episode 7 of Simply Your Cat's Simply Wellness. Today I would like to talk about DIY natural hand sanitizers. The reason is because so many people has been rushing to supermarkets, pharmacy, asking for alcohol-based hand sanitizer, and they couldn't find it, and they get panic and stress. And today I'm going to solve their issues. Before I get into the natural hand sanitizer DIY, I would like to talk about the hidden harmful effects of alcohol-based hand sanitizers. Okay, the most obvious reason, the first, alcohol. It dries your hand and speed up your aging process of the skin. Secondly, ingredients such as paraben, phosphate, triclosans, and synthetic fragrances that's always used in the alcohol-based sanitizer. They are hormone disruptor. They damage your endocrine system, and it weakens your immune system and also grows superbugs, makes the future bacteria resistant to it. Okay, now the natural part. There are 3 ingredients that you can buy from pharmacy and supermarket health stores. That's hand sanitizer are coconut oil, tea tree oil, and eucalyptus oil. My favorite one is coconut oil. It has got high in MCT, that's antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal. But a lot of people say that, okay, it's inconvenience in a jar, I need it in a pump. That's fine. I'll show you how to do that. What you need is a hand blender, essential oil, and some coconut oil. So what you need to do is a big bowl. Put a high quality lotion such as Sukin, Akin, Esseno. They are natural plant based. Pour them all in the bowl and put some MCT or coconut oil in the bowl. Then 20 drips of either tea tree oil or eucalyptus oil that act as an antibacterial, antivirus ingredients in the bowl. Hand blend it until it's all evenly, and put it back in the hand pump, and you can just hand pump it as a hand sanitizer. Okay, I hope that solves your panic and stress about not able to buy hand sanitizers, and I'll see you in episode 7.